Just so exciting. It's been burning off later in the day and then the sunset shortly after, but I can't complain because hey, the sun has been popping out later during the day. We're gonna vacuum the entire main floor. The girls are still sleeping, including my oldest, who rarely ever naps, so we're gonna keep soaking up this time, vacuuming every inch of this floor, and then we're gonna go into the playroom and I am literally gonna pick up just a few things after lighting a candle, of course, because satisfaction of having this whole entire area clean is so nice. But after picking up the playroom just enough and getting their new tumbling mat put away, I was like, you know what, this is why we have a door on the playroom for a reason. I'm just gonna close this door and I'm gonna walk away, and I'm going upstairs because I need to make our bed. I ended up changing the sheets on our bed, and I kid you not, literally within 15 minutes of Lila waking up, she peed her pants on the bed, and so I ended up having to change them all again and deep clean our mattress. But without me knowing, I got this load all started and then the bed all freshly made. Everything's from Hutch and Linens, and I've been loving their sheets, so I'm just gonna keep using them. Get a lot of questions on the bed frame. It's from Amazon and it's in my Amazon